Hello and welcome back to Investing for Generations, your channel for high quality stock research for long-term value investor. And today I want to talk about my European portfolio because we finished the first quarter and with that it's the end of June. And so it's time for me to give you my monthly update on my European portfolio, which outperformed the DAX, the German index, quite a bit. So my portfolio have a performance of 24.64% compared to 17.22% in 2021. And since most of the stocks in my portfolio are from Germany, it makes sense to have the DAX as the benchmark. And in this video I will just tell you what happened in June in my portfolio, what transactions I did, what dividends I received, and what's the plan to move on. So first of all, let's take a look which dividends I got in June. And first of all, Movi, the great Norwegian salmon company, paid me €18.64 as a dividend. And my Vanguard ETF, not really European, but was a first in this portfolio, so I just keep it there, paid me €18.76. And so I received overall in the first half, in the first 6 months of 2021, €1,394.58. And that is around €250 more than in the whole 2020. That's quite good. And of course, as the European companies almost all pay their dividends in the Q2, there will be not so much more, but overall there is a rising of the dividends because the portfolio gets larger at all. This is one of the reasons. And the other reason is that the dividends just compound over time. And of course, that's nice. That's a nice sidekick and also gives a little bit room to invest more. Then take a look at the transactions in June. And this was not that much. First of all, I added 11 more shares of Fraport for €57.42. Fraport, if you don't know, is the airport provider, especially for the Frankfurt airport, the biggest airport in Germany, but also a lot of other airports in Europe, in Latin America, also in China. I made another video about Fraport before. I put the link here up on the screen or down in the description below, where I analyze the business overall. And so I added 11 more shares because the stock price of Fraport lately came back a little bit because of the fear of the Delta variation of the coronavirus. And so lately we can see here the stock price just came back to under €60. And so I added 11 more shares at the 30th of June for €57.42. And overall I have now 125 shares of Fraport for an overall purchase price of €5,204, and I'm up €2,150 or 41%, which is quite a lot and which is very nice. And since Fraport under normal circumstances have a great business model and it seems like the world is on the way to normal, I think this can be a very, very good investment over the long run. So far, so good. And then of course, as every month, I also added €150 more to my Asian ETF. And now I have there a purchase value of €600. I'm up 1.12%. This is not that important. It's not the big chunk of my portfolio, but I just added, I just will add over time, month by month. And so overall, the pie of my whole portfolio looks like this. Fraport now is my third biggest position with 8.93% of my portfolio. And you can just find whatever company you like and see it here. And also a few of them I made a deeper analysis on my channel. Check this also out. And when we look at the performance of every single stock, then we see that Kion is the best performing stock right now, the big logistic company with 93.26%, followed by Airbus, the Vanguard ETF, Siemens, Movi, and so on. And so this looks quite good for me, and all of this are high quality and high profitable businesses. Of course, some also with some issues. When you look at SAP or Bayer, they also have their issues. But overall, I'm very, very happy to own all of these companies and no need to think about selling right now. And if you're new to my channel, then I will just let you know that I don't talk so much about this European portfolio on the channel. I give you every month my update on that, but normally I talk about my mostly North American portfolio, and there I give you a weekly update every weekend. And so also this weekend will be another update on my real money North American portfolio. And then also next week I will go back to single stock analysis, and I will start next week with a very, very interesting stock from Great Britain. Another follower of mine just gave me this idea in the comment section, and so I will analyze this stock for him, but of course also for everybody else. And if you have companies that you think are interesting and you want that I analyze them, then just let me know in the comment section, and then I will take a look at it. And if I also find it interesting, then of course I will make a video about that. And I'm very thankful for that, because through this there comes some of good ideas. So just let me know and let us help together to be just better investor. So that's it for today. If you like the video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss the next videos, then just subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, and then we will see on the weekend with the weekly update on my North American portfolio, and also next week, of course, with a stock analysis with a very, very good company from Great Britain. See you then. Take care. Bye bye.